Hello and welcome back to the bus restoration series. Today I'm going to be updating you guys on some of the stuff I've already done in the break between videos, and I'm going to do some more sanding and painting. So as you can already see, I sanded and painted the front and the side of the bus. I've done all below the window line or the belt line just because I didn't want to take the windows out yet because I had to roll it out or something and it rained. So yeah, below the belt line. Everything from the front to the side, and then I also, as you saw in the last video, I painted and sanded the deck lid, but the rest of the back still needs to be done. So like, think the rear hatch, that kind of thing. It's not too much. Other than that, the other side of the bus needs to be painted and sanded and painted. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna hop into in today's video. As you can see, there's a few dents and dings on the side of the bus. This was all covered in Bondo. It was really bad. It was probably a 16th or maybe an 1/8 of an inch. So yeah, I sanded it all down and I found some like marks from it maybe hitting something or like, yeah, just like a, I don't know, something. There's that, and then there's a little bit on the front. It's not too bad. There's also this mark on the door. Overall, the bus is pretty straight. The rear fender looks like it was dinged in, so I'm gonna probably have the body shop deal with that because I would like it to be out because it just looks better. And once it's painted, I want it to be nice. But yeah, there's just wrinkly body stuff, so that could all probably be fixed with body filler when I do end up painting the bus, or when I have someone paint the bus. So yeah, right now it's just a process of sanding, and then once everything's sanded, I coat it in primer. Once I have the whole bus done all the way around, just below the belt line, then I'm gonna go up to above the belt line, take all the windows out, and then take the pop top off and probably just start sanding everything. The interior is completely gutted, except for the dashboard and just the front cab, because I didn't really want to deal with that. It might need to come out before I paint it, just because it might be weird with the window seal and stuff like that. So, because there is some rust under there, and I don't know if the body shop will do like work on that part. They might, but yeah, I don't know. I just don't want it to leak. So, yeah, this is the bus so far, and I'll do some sanding and update you guys. Just so you all can see what's going on over here. Yeah, this side isn't done being sanded, and that's what we're gonna focus on in today's video. So enjoy, like, subscribe, and yeah, just come along. All right, welcome back, guys. The bus is fully sanded down from the belt line down to the bottom. So everything looks pretty good so far. I haven't seen too many big dents. There's a little bit of rust holes right here that were just filled up with Bondo. And then, as you already probably saw just from the wide shot, there is this huge rust hole right here that was held together with super thick pieces of Bondo. Probably an inch thick piece of Bondo, and then wire mesh. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get a patch panel for that, and that's gonna need to be replaced. But yeah, it looks super bad in there. It's probably the worst part on the whole bus, besides maybe the cart or the floor on the where the driver sits. But yeah, everything else looks pretty good. This whole panel is pretty straight. There's a few little dings and dents, but other than that, everything looks good. Send it down the rear hatch too. That all looks okay. There's a lot of rust and stuff on the bottom right there, which I might take like pour 15 or something and try and fix up with that, or just have it get new metal welded in there. But yeah, so if you walk around the bus now, everything's sanded down. The this next step is to get this all primered up so it doesn't flash rust, and then after that we'll probably sand the upper half of the bus, take all the windows out, take the pop top off, and then start sanding all that. And we're back. I just painted it. It's drying now, but do a full walk around. The bottom half of the bus is all primer color now. So yeah, I think sanding was a big step that we've finished sanding the most square footage as far as area of the metal that's going to be painted. Of course, this top half still needs to be done. That's going to just need to be the next step, and it's going to take a while to get the pop top and all of the windows out and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to probably finish for today because I'm pretty tired. But thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and stuff. Check back in to see the progress on the bus.